Hello there and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about how to optimize Windows 11 for gaming. If you want to optimize Windows 11 for gaming, follow these simple steps for better performance and smoother gameplay. First of all, what you have to do, open the Windows search and type adjust. Here you go. You can see adjust the appearance and performance of the video. Open this window. A new pop-up window will appear. Now what you have to do, adjust for best performance, apply, and that's it. After that, go to the window bar, search defragment. Open this folder. Now, once this pop-up window will appear, what you have to do, select your drive and click optimize to improve storage performance. I will choose and optimize, and then you can see that it is optimizing the drives. After that, close this pop-up window and then go to disk cleanup. Type here disk cleanup in the search bar menu and open this cleanup. Here you can see that a new pop-up window will appear. Here you have to select your drives. Now in this case, I will select C drive and click OK. And you can see that a new pop-up window will appear. I have to check all the boxes here. Scroll down and just check all the boxes. And then after that, click OK. It will delete all the unnecessary files in the disk section. Here you can see that it is going to delete all the unnecessary files in the drive C. Now you have to press Ctrl plus Shift and plus Escape. Now you can see that a new pop-up window will appear. Now you can see that Task Manager will appear and you have to go to the Startup Apps. So here you have to disable all the applications that you don't need. After that, go to the taskbar, search for display setting and open the display setting. Once you open the display setting, go to the advanced display setting. Click the advanced display setting and then set your monitor to highest available refresh rate for smoother gameplay. And finally, go to the search bar and type setting. Open the folder and then go to the gaming section. Click the gaming section, go to the game mode and make sure this setting is turned on. If it is turned off, you have to make it turn on. And finally, go to the search bar and search control panel. Open the control panel and then click the hardware and sound. Click on power option. Click the power option and select the plan of high performance. Here you can adjust the setting. This setting will tell the window to use the full CPU power instead of saving energy, and it is perfect for gaming, editing and recording. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel.